Let's brine this turkey the easy way. I'm using the Olde Thompson Turkey Brine. Simple, easy, and flavorful, and easy for beginners. Let's go make it. Start with 1 gallon of water. Anything between 11 to 20 pounds, add 2 cups of brine. As soon as the salt and the sugar dissolve for about 5 minutes, you can turn the stove off. And just in case you're wondering what's in the brine, we got sea salt, cane sugar, black pepper, cloves, coriander, allspice, bay leaf, dehydrated red bell pepper flakes, dehydrated garlic, dehydrated green onion, and dehydrated white onion, dehydrated onion peels. So that's it. It is smelling so good. Now I'm gonna add some fresh garlic to mine. You don't have to do this step, but I'm gonna add some fresh garlic to mine. Some orange. We're adding a little citrus. Lemon. Totally optional. Scotch bonnet pepper. Fresh thyme. And rosemary. Also, let it cool before adding it to the turkey completely. Let it cool because you don't want to pre-cook the turkey, okay? And this is 14-pound bird. Now it's time to clean up this bird, the turkey neck. So we're gonna try to see if there's any feathers and stuff like that. I was trying to get a smaller turkey, but this was the smallest one that I saw. I'm gonna go wash this in some lemon and vinegar. Vinegar. Now grab the biggest pot or container that's gonna fit the bird. Also, you want this breast side to be down, okay? Go ahead and make some room in your fridge, okay? Because we're gonna pop this into the fridge for 12 to 24 hours. Let's go. And just like that, that's how you brine a turkey. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye, guys.